Hi there. So this is a hostinger. I will show you how to set up and install WordPress on your hosting and on domain. So firstly you need to set up your hosting and connect the domain on your hosting. So for this, when you bought the packages, as you can see, there is premium web hosting package and there is the domain. Okay, so for setting and install WordPress, you need to go firstly log in on your hostinger account, then just click on setup. After clicking on this, they will show you this type of, then just click on start. It's asking who are you creating the website for. So as I'm creating this website for my client, but I will click here that I'm creating it for myself. So just clicking on it, and after the who is creating the website, I'm building it myself. Okay, then it will ask for your website type. If it's online store, then you can select online store, and this will be for my blog website, automated news blog website, and I will build it for my one of client. So I'll just click on blog, and it's asking for do you need help building your website, and I'm just clicking no thanks, because I will develop the website and design the site as my client work. Okay, so it's asking do you want to create or migrate a website. So I'm just creating a new website. Okay, just select this, and it's asking which platform you want to use. Do you want to use WordPress or hostinger builder with AI? I will go with WordPress, so I'm just selecting this, and after that it will ask for your administrator access setup. So what will be the language will be in English, and as you can see there will be the email address of the account, which email you have used for this creating the hostinger account. So I'm just setting the password for my client, which what is the name of the client. So I'm just creating the password from the my client name. Okay, and I will make it this, and after that I will set up the password like 3. Okay, so you need to set up, you need to follow this, that you need at least one number, one lowercase letter, and use 8 to 50 characters. It means your password should 8 to 50 characters, and there needs on Latin letters and uppercase letters, and one of any symbol. So my password is this for my client. I will send it to my client. Okay, and I will also create a screenshot for my client so that he can access the WordPress dashboard. Okay, so after that you need to just click on this to continue, and after that they're saying that which plugins you want to use on your website. I'm just I don't need this plugin because I will install and build the website from scratch. So I will use whatever I need. Then just continue. They are asking for to select any theme, one of this. Just I'm selecting a default, and then it will saying to connect your domain, and as per there is only one domain, so I'm just clicking on this domain and just clicking on select. So let's finishing setting up. Okay, so when you click finish setup, it will be done, your website will be set up and installed. Okay, just click on it, it will be done. Okay, it will be 100%. Just wait few minutes. So if you want to build your website, any type of website, you can contact me. I will build any type of website for you. And this client asked me for making an automated new crypto news website for him. So I will design and develop a fully automated and functional website, crypto news website for him. And I will give you the links for Hostinger. You can use my links to create your account and buy the packages, domain and hosting package from there. Okay, it's just being finished, so let it finish. It's 99 preparing the dashboard. Just wait few minutes, it will be done. Okay, so your thing is done. If you click on this edit website, then it will go with WordPress right away. Okay, so you are done. Just go to manage site. When you click on manage site, there you will see our site is installed to WordPress, and this is the link, and if you click on this link, you will go to the site. So, and you can log in from using your access setup from which we saved creating while we are setting this, and you can also go to WordPress dashboard from clicking the edit website. It will redirect to WordPress dashboard. Okay, so this is for now, and I'll make it this site fully automated crypto news website. So hope you guys like this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.